Welcome to another video. Today we have something very cool, super interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to unlock the network of your phone to use it with any carrier. This is gonna be useful if you wanna switch providers and use your phone with any other SIM card, any other carrier in any country. So it's gonna be compatible worldwide. So this is by far the best way to unlock your phone. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Now this will work regardless if your phone is still under contract or out of contract. It doesn't really matter. Without further ado, let's start. So the first thing you have to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. That's like the serial number of your cell phone. So we're gonna open the dial pad and we're gonna dial *#06#. As you will see, your IMEI number will appear in the screen. We're gonna use only the first 15 digits. So we're gonna use this number in a few seconds. Keep it somewhere close. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. Processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments section down below. And thank you for watching. We upload videos every week, so remember to subscribe.